Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. I am Jean Rodriguez, Pamasagri Channel, a faith healer, also a reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin ano kayong sabihin ng ating mga gabay. So this is a monthly gabay for the month of June 2026 for the sign off. For the sign off, Sagittarius. So Sagi, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Sagittarius ang ating mahagilap? Now, once again, this reading is a general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kunin lang ang makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit ko siya ba for more videos update. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sawa mag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo nang dinig-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik legleg nag-uumapaw, na biyayang manambalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advices, no, ng ating angel spirit, no, para sa ating mga kapatid na Sagittarius. So let's see and watch this. Angel spirit, please give me information pa. Okay, so there's something a Three of Cups. There's something an ultimate happiness. There's a celebration coming in. Now, may mga celebration daw dito na maaring maganap, no? Some of you, no, maaring meron ditong dadaluhan na birthday parties, no? Let's see additional messages. And there's a Seven of Cups, may confusion. Now, may mga part dito na maaring naguguluhan ka na, no? Para nalilito ka sa mga bagay-bagay. No, there's something confusion or there's a lot of choices, no, options, no, na maaring kumbaga nagpapagulo sa iyong isipan, no? There's something emotions, guys. There's a lot of cups. And there's an Eight of Cups. There's something of moving forward. So may mga bagay na maaring nahihirapan ka maka-recover from the situations, no? I feel something nag-invest ka ng emotions, no? Meron kang bagay na parang until now naguguluhan ka, hindi ka maka-get over, hindi ka maka-recover, no, from the past. I feel so. Now let's see. What is additional messages? And of course, there's something guys with the Six of Swords. There's a transition na may mga bagay din na maaring nagpapabago ng iyong perspective, no, ng iyong intuition, no, ng iyong kumbaga mindset, no? There's a thing there's a back and forth, no? Your back and forth na iniisip mo parang ganon. Meron ako na sense with an overthinking eh. Let's see what is the Six of Wands. So there's something a victory, bagay na magtatagumpay ka, na may mga plano ka dito, no, na maaring magdala sa'yo ng success. No, there's an Ace of Pentacles with a big shot and big money coming in. May malaking opportunities din na darating sa'yo. Wow. No, there's a material offer. Ang laking pera paparating, guys. What is the Three of Cups? The Three of Cups represent with a judgment. That's something a wake-up call. Napaalala sa'yo na you need to pay attention. No, kumaga pinag-iingat ka dito na huwag ka masyadong dumadalo sa mga birthdays or celebrations na alam mong kumaga hindi nagsiserve o hindi nakakatulong sa situations mo. Na kung alam mong may mga priorities ka, na meron kang kailangan tutukan at kailangan gampanan, so yun muna yung i-manage, no? What is the Seven of Cups? Represent with the Nine of Pentacles. There's a potential for abundance. Na may potential ka para maging balago. No, there's a lot of options, a multiple choices, no, na magdadala sa'yo ng paglago. No, you're also independent. No, pagdating sa mga bagay-bagay, napaka-independent mo talaga. Parang feeling ko, kaya mong tumayo sa sarili mong paa. Ganun. What is the Eight of Cups? There's a Five of Pentacles. Oh, there's a financial loss of financial crisis or financial difficulties. So, maaring meron ditong maaring maganap mangyari no, ngayong June 2026 na maaring magdadala sa ng financial loss. So, mag-ingat-ingat kayo guys ha, sa mga ini-invest nyo. Kasi hindi ka there's an abandonment na kailangan mong umalis dyan. No? Or kumbaga meron ditong abandonment, maaaring lokohin ka, budulin ka, iwan ka sa eksena kung mag-ingat ka, no? Ngayong June, iwas-iwasan nyo mag-invest, no, ng malalaking pera, guys. There's a Six of Swords, the represent with a Queen of Swords. There's a clear the boundaries, no? There's a transition, ngayon pa lang baguhin mo na, no? Lagi mong titignan yung magiging posibilidad na yung kalalabasan ng bawat action and decision. Hindi pwedeng, bahala na, no? Kailangan mong tignan yung magiging outcome, no? Ano yung magiging consequences ng bawat action and decision. Kasi may mga advantage and disadvantage yan. No? Yun yung kailangan mo pakakatandaan. What is the Six of Wands? Reference with the Five of Cups, something disappointment. So may mga bagay na maaaring madidisappoint ka. Na may mga laban dito na maaaring gusto mong ilaban at the same time. No? May mga bagay ka na gustong mangyari. No? So, kumbaga, meron ditong part na maaaring madidisappoint ka. Parang, kumbaga, there's a losses. No? Kumbaga, it's a part of your journey, itong losses na to. It's an instrument. No? Hindi dahil para sa there's a failure ganon. Kumbaga, there is something beautiful disaster, parang ganon, no? Kumbaga, sa isang pagkasira ng isang bagay o pagkawala ng isang bagay, may, excuse me, may maganda siyang idudulot sa'yo. Now, there's a reason. Para I feel something a blessing this, guys. Ganon. No? Tinanggal sa'yo ito, inalis ito sa'yo, hindi dahil sa ganong sitwasyon. No? Kundi dahil para mas maging klaro or maliwanag ang yung path mo, yung dadaanan mong eksena. Ganon. And there is a pentacle represented with a devil card. So, very demonic. Yung itong malaking opportunities na to, mag-ingat ka for temptation. So, meron daw dito talagang, kumbaga, very greedy or something trying, no? Na para sabutayihin ka from that a big amount or para meron dito kumbaga, may temptasyon no? Parang, kumbaga, may pagnanais dito sa pera na to, ganito, ganyan. Mag-ingat po kayo, no? Pag mag-i-invest ng malaki, iwas-iwasan. At the same time, with the other side, no? With the Ace of Pentacles na may offer sa yung malaki, pero hinakaranga with the Devil card. No, kaya nakakaranas ka ng financial loss, financial difficulties, there's a financial challenges, no? Kumbaga maraming mga struggles as of now, ngayong June na maaring nagdadala sa iyo ng pagbagal ng pasok ng pera. What is the Three of Cups and the Judgment? Represent with the Ace of Cups. Now, there's something in new love coming in. So, pinapaalalahanan ka na may bagong pag-ibig, may third party. So, ibig sabihin, no, kung may mga papasukin kayong relasyon, no, siguraduhin yung etong tao na to ay walang sabit, diba? Kasi maaaring magdala to sa'yo, no, ng, kumbaga, complication. So, baka magdala to sa'yo ng problema. Ganon. So, kailangan, siguraduhin nyo na kung papasok kasi sa relasyon, walang sabit at walang umi-eksena. What is the Seven of Cups and the Nine of Pentacles? Represent with the Justice card. There's something that justice will be served. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's something na what goes around, comes around. Ano man yung bagay na itinanim mo, siyang anihin mo, yun. There's something reflection of your actions. So, yun guys, no? Kumbaga, meron kang potential para maging malago, maging masagana. Pero sinasabi dito, kumbaga, lagi mong titignan yung magiging kalalabasan. So, kailangan mo mag-pay attention talaga. No? Maraming part dito na maaaring susubukan kang lokohin, guluhin, pero kailangan maging matatag ka. No? And the Eight of Cups and the Five of Pentacles represent with the Three of Swords. Something, there's a betrayal. No? And there's an evil eye at the same time. So, ibig sabihin, there's a dalawang energy ako na sense dito na may naiinggit sa inyo at meron din dito maaaring magdala sa inyo ng failure or disappointment. No, about sa pera, ganan. And there's a magician with the fire of God. There's something manifestation. So, kumbaga, lahat ng bagay na to ay ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. So, kaya, may mga paalala dyan, no, kailangan mo mag-pay attention kasi, kumbaga, kailangan nyo talagang makinig, no, sa mga paalala at babala. What is the Six of Wands and the Five of Cups? Represent, guys, with the Three of Wands, waiting for a result with a ship. So, may mga resulta dito, no, na maaring dumating, no, maaring mangyari. No, may mga hinihintay kayong trouble, no, information, there's a possible na dumating. No, and there's a Four of Swords, something rest. So, kailangan mo na sapat na pahinga, guys. No, oh my God, there's an intuition and the Devil card. So, ibig sabihin talaga dito, no, gumagawa talaga to ng eksena about sa spirituality. Nagkakaroon ka na sleepless na anxieties that because of this situation. Lalo-lalo na related sa pera. There's the world, no? Meron dito travel, international, no? Meron ditong jowa kang taga-international. And of course, may bagong pag-ibig din, international. Wow, pasabog. Additional messages. And of course, there's something, guys, with the Queen of Cups, emotional and intelligent. Na pagdating sa emosyon, kailangan nyo maging matalino, mas maging wise dito. No, mas maging maingat, no? There is a Four of Pentacles for something in saving and protecting. So, meron kang kailangang protection na talaga about sa finances, ha? Mag-ingat-ingat kayo, baka mabudol kayo. And there's a Page of Pentacles, invest wisely. So, see, kailangan yung mag-ingat, no? No, sa pag-i-invest ng mga bagay-bagay, pera, With a Hermit card, there's a spiritual awakening. So may mga bagay na parang lilitaw-lilinaw kung bakit parang nagkakaroon ng delays and cancellation sa mga transaction nyo. No, with the Five of Cups, disappointment. And there's something at sour moment for immediate changes, no? Oh my God, I feel something parang inaasuan, mabigat din. There's an open portal. No, very demonic, no? There's an evil, ako na sense, no? About sa tahanan nyo. Mabigat ang pwesto or mabigat ang inyong bahay. Na merong negative energy, there's an open portal. No? Salamin sa salamin, bintana sa bintana. Salamin sa bintana magkatapat, no? Pintuan sa bintana magkatapat. There's something na parang open portal. No? Nagki-create siya ng negative energy. So guys, let's see. Angels, please give me information about naman tayo sa finances and career, love life at kalusugan. Let's watch this. So nandito tayo guys about sa finances and career, love life at kalusugan. Okay, nandito na tayo guys. No? Pagdating sa finances and career, love life at kalusugan, before anything else, kailangan natin mag-shuffle again and again. No? Pero hindi ko na sinama yung kaninang ginamit ko na cards Ganyan tayo mag-reading guys. Na-miss nyo ba yung reading natin guys? Pasensya na ngayon lang ulit tayo nakapag-upload ng horoscope and zodiac signs guys. Mag-ingat. Kumbaga, pasensya na kasi maraming ganap. So, ito na. Tututukan na natin to. No? And even yung panggagamot, tututukan na natin siya guys. Let's see. Pagdating sa finances and career, love life at kalusugan, there's something a page of wands. So, there's a good news. Na pagdating sa finances and career, may magandang balita. Na may magandang information na darating. No, and there's a chariot for action. Magkakaroon ng changes and developments sa situations mo. With a chariot card, no, there's something adjoining forces. No, there's something positive and negative sides. There's the King of Cups. You are also devoted person. No, napaka-devoted mo sa trabaho, sa ginagawa mo, or maaaring yung person mo, very devoted. And there's the Queen of Wands by confident. Oh, lakas naman loob mo maging matapang ka. Alisin ang alilangan at takot mo. No, sa mga bagay na ginagawa mo para mag-succeed ka daw. And there's the King of Swords. Stop the pattern. At putulin mo yung mga bagay na hindi nagsaserve. No, yung mga bagay na hindi nakakatulong for your work, for your business. And there's a Ten of Wands, something burden. Kasi may mga bagay na nagpapabigat sa situations mo. Like obligation, responsibilities, no? Kaya kailangan tantanan. Pagdating naman tayo sa love life, parang chika, there's a star. Wish fulfillment. So, mayroong mga bagay na, kumbaga, matutupad, no? At mayroong ka mga hiniling na maaring mangyari at matupad na. The star card represents healing, recovery. No, there's a full card for leap of faith. Ay, meron pananampalataya at tiwala. There's a solid bond. There's something, important connection, the two of you guys. And there's a Two of Wands by choices. Piliin nyo lang yung mga taong pagkakatiwalaan nyo. There's a first step. Now, with the ease of with the mental clarity, so may mga bagay na maaaring magbigay ng liwanag sa isipan yung dalawa na person mo. Now, may mga magsisingkin dyan sa utak nyo na, kumaga, plano man yan, na kailangan nyong gawin, gano'n, or kailangan mas maging logic, or mas maging matalino, no? And there's the moon card for revelation. Maraming mga bagay na ma-reveal. Now, there's the moon card represents with the dream coming true at the same time. Now, may mga bagay na matutupad na sa mga pangarap nyo, no? At may mga bagay din na maaaring ma-reveal no, sa inyong relasyon, sa inyong pagkasama. No, there's a Knight of Swords. There's an anxiety, sleepless. At ibig sabihin, there's something connected about sa spirituality, guys. May sumasalbay sa inyo. No? Na may gumugulo sa inyong isipan. Nahihirapan kayo matulog, guys. Na nagkakaroon kayo sleepless na anxieties, no? Lalo pag madaling araw, gabi, no? Nagigising kayo sa of nowhere. Pagdating naman tayo sa kalusugan, and there's a Six of Cups. So, meron daw dito hindi makaget over. There's a past situation coming back. Or there's a past person coming back. So, meron daw dito hindi maka-move on. No, it's an ex. No? Or there's something, a friend of yours. And there's an emperor. Not just being mature enough. Magaling to mag-manipulate ha. Meron daw ditong, kumbaga, magaling mag-manipulate. At having respect dapat daw, no? Magkaroon daw kayo ng respeto sa sarili nyo. And there's a Nine of Wands. No, may mga bagay na kailangan nyo pagtiyagaan sa ngayon. No, and there's a Seven with the sneakiness. No, there's a cheating, lying. So, mag-ingat kayo na sa mga kinakain nyo. No, tantanan nyo yung mga bawal. No, and there's a Need of Swords. There's a lot of toxic and negativities around. No, may mga tao sa paligid nyo rin na naaaring nakakapag-create ng negative dito na maaaring talaga sumasalbay sa inyo. There's an evil and curses. And even health issues or health problem may ginagawa sa inyo. There's a Three of Pentacles for collaboration. Ibig sabihin nakakasalamuhan nyo to. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga tao na nakakausap nyo, ha? Kasi it's either kapitbahay mo to or kamag-anak na maaaring sumasalbay sa inyo. So let's see, what is an angel's messages tayo? Angel spirit messages with an angel spirit guides. No, nandito na tayo sa mga gabay. No, excited na ba kayo guys? With a magical prayer messages advices for you guys. Eto na. Whom do you need to forgive? Ano yung mga bagay na kailangan mo pakawalan at bitawan? Diba? Yung mga nakaraan. Yung negatibo sa nakaraan. No, meron dito about sa nakaraan na hindi makaget over. No? And you got the power. No? Kumbaga, use your will to resolve this situation and you can do it. So, ibig sabihin dito, na meron kang, kumbaga, kaalaman, no? Meron kang kakayanan at the same time parang meron kang knowledge, no? Para sa mga bagay-bagay. So hindi parang hindi lingid sa kaalaman mo na parang meron kang kumbaga history, no, about dito sa spirituality. So hindi malayo sa inyo about sa spirituality na parang kumbaga malapit sa family niyo about yung mga hilot-hilot, no? Tawas-tawas or kumbaga meron nakulam sa family niyo, ganun. And there's sabi ko na nga ba, there's a temptation. Mag-ingat kayo for temptation, ha? And there's an empathy with a breakthrough. May mga part dito na magtatagumpay daw kayo. Wow. With a romance angel for a mystic love oracle deck, there's a ghosted. No, madalas kayo nag-ghosting, guys. No, and there's a divine feminine. So, meron ditong babae. No, may babae dito. Or either you are Sagittarius na babae, you are very feminine. No, or meron ditong feminine energy. There's a child. May anak ka. Oh. May anak ka dito, guys. Oh. There's something connected dito. And there's a fortune. There's something with a fortune. No, with a good luck. No, there's something, a good omen. May swerte. What is Archangel Michael messages? Lean on God and angel support. Sabi na Archangel Michael, no, ginagabay at sinusuportahan ka daw kayo ng ating Panginoon at ang ating mga gabay. Now, with the Jesus loving quotes, ano kayo gusto sabihin sa na Hesus Kristo ng ating Panginoon? Anong advices for you? Anong quotes? I will not leave you comfortless. I will come to you. So, see, talagang hindi kayo iwan ng ating Panginoon na mag-isa, naluhaan sa situation na to, no? Talagang lumalapit at lalapit siya sa iyo, no? May mga pahiwatig dyan na nandyan siya sa tabi mo, nandyan siya sa situations mo, na kailangan mong tawagin or kailangan mong mananampalataya sa Kanya at maniwala. So, guys, this is something a monthly pasilip, monthly gabay for the month of June 2026 for the sign of Sagittarius. So, Sagi, maraming salamat po for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kundi lang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagaw. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit ko siya for more videos update. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalong-lalo nang skip ng ads sa way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.